Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss a very unique but underrated trick. So let's start the video. On your screen you can see a set of data. Now let's suppose I want to insert 3 rows after Kevin. So what we generally do is we select the next row and we press Ctrl Shift plus again and again, and we get 3 new rows like this, correct? But now what if I say there is a trick for this? Now look at my cursor carefully. If I move my cursor here, you can see the symbol of my cursor. But if I move the cursor a bit right, you can see the symbol changes to plus, like the addition sign. So that's what we need to focus. As soon as you get this plus icon, drag it 3 cells below, as we need 3 new cells. Now, before you release your cursor, your finger from the mouse, hold down the shift key on the keyboard and then release the cursor, but not the shift key. You can release the shift key later once you have 3 new cells. Let's try it again. Look at my cursor. I need to get this plus icon like this. Now drag it 3 cells below, hold down the shift key and keep holding it down, and only release your fingers from the mouse like this, and you will get 3 new rows. Got it?